Hey everyone, and welcome to the first Art Factory of the school year. I'm your host, Mrs. Stalker, and I'm ready to start a wonderful year full of great artistic creations with you. Now, as always, I brought in a special friend, flew in just for back to school. It's Barry, the back to school bird. Hey Barry, I like those glasses. You're excited to be with us today? I'm excited that you're here too. And I'm excited to be with you guys. I know that the school year can bring lots of new experiences, new people in your class, new teachers, new classroom, whatever else you're going through, maybe even some new birds. But today, we're going to be making an art craft that's based on our name. One that you can display in your classroom, in your house, on your fridge, just something bright and fun and uniquely you. We're going to need a few things. We're going to need a cloud. I went ahead and cut mine out and wrote "My name is" because we're going to be having our names on these. So you could write your name on the bottom, but I'm going to show you something really cool we're going to do instead. So cloud, some scissors, some paper that's all colors of the rainbow, and some squares. I went ahead and cut mine out and wrote my letters of my name on there, but you can cut them out, write them out later, however you want to do it. You could even do circles, triangles, stars, whatever you're feeling, but I chose squares. Let me show you how it's made. To start, you're going to need rectangular strips of paper. Since this is a rainbow craft, I have different colors to match the colors of the rainbow. Just cut a strip out and that will be used to house your name. Always be careful when you're using scissors in class or at home. I'm going really fast cutting mine, but you want to make sure you take your time to get every rectangle nice and neat and you to stay safe in the whole process. Once you have all of your strips, you're going to glue them to the back of your cloud. You want to make sure that you keep them close together so they'll all fit. Once you put the glue on the back of your strip, just attach it to your cloud and go all the way across. Go ahead and flip your cloud over, and now you're ready to attach your letters. Put one letter each on one of your colored strips. If you have less than 7 letters in your name, you can just skip some strips or put all of your letters in the middle colors. There's really no right or wrong way to do it. Your art is going to be yours, and that's what makes it great. Finishing touch, I'm going to write Mrs. right on the cloud. M-R-S dot. Perfect. My E is hiding a little bit, but you know what? Art is never wrong. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. Let's take a look. Whoa, Mrs. Stalker. I love it. I'm going to have to probably hang it up in the room, I think. All right, let's show Barry. Barry, check it out. It looks so bright, and now you're never going to forget my name? That's awesome. Barry, we're going to have to make you one so no one forgets your name either. Well, everybody, I had a wonderful time making this rainbow name activity with you. I can't wait to see yours. I can't wait to see how you turn out. Are you going to put yours in the rainbow pattern? Are your colors going to be all over the place? Whatever you do, it's going to look great. Until then, see you next time.